Hey y'all, and good morning. I got a call from my chicken dealer saying that my meat bird chicks are ready for pickup, so I got to get this brooder ready before I go get them. Okay, now that I've got my brooder cleaned out, I'm going to get their water ready. Just start with some clean, fresh water. This is a 1 gallon container. I'm going to put 1 capful of apple cider vinegar in it. And for the first few days that they arrive, I like to put a little extra vitamin boost in there for the chicks. And then we're going to put this in here. I like to elevate my water because it's inevitable. They will get shavings in there. And as they get bigger, we'll elevate it more and more so the shavings are less and less. Now, I also, knowing that my chicks were on their way, started to ferment some food. This doesn't look like a lot for 50 chicks that I'm gonna get here shortly. And they're really not gonna eat that much for the first day or two. But I like to have it available for when they do start getting hungry. I get a very, very high quality organic feed from Free Wing Farms, Gonzales, Texas. Absolutely love them. Once I switched to their food, my chickens seemed happier, healthier. My egg quality went up. The egg quantity went up. And of course, we're gonna put some grit because chickens don't have teeth. So this is chicken teeth. Let's just put this in here on the other side. And now we're ready. It's time to go pick up chicks. All right, here I am pulling up at my chicken dealer. And they told me to go to a side entrance and wear a disguise. And there's a secret knock that I gotta give them. It's pretty crazy. Hey, little meatballs.
Is that for the...
When we first get our birds, we like to dip their beaks so they know where the water is.
Let me get 2 at a time.
My kids have always wanted to be fully involved with these meat birds from the first day they're with us to the last day we're with us. And we are more than happy to allow them these opportunities. These chicks come from a different hatchery than I normally order from because the one that we normally use was not going to have chicks available when we needed them. So in a desperate attempt to make sure that we have our freezer stocked through winter, I used a different one. And I don't want to be negative about this one. Maybe I'm just biased because I feel like we use the best hatchery. But out of the 50 birds that we ordered, 2 of them came in already dead. And 1 was missing completely. Now, our favorite hatchery, they always send a couple of extras. And like I said, I don't want to be negative Nancy here. We'll see how these go. These look happy and healthy so far. So wish us luck.